Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture, we have to discuss how to find out the diffuser quantity. Okay. So here you can see, just open the pages and bookmarks. So here we have a police building ground floor. So we are calculating the number of, here I want to find out the number of diffuser, whatever diffuser we have placed in the ground floor, supply and ceiling, different size of diffusers are there. So I want to find out the diffuser quantity. So how we have to do? Come here in the takeoff summary. I have told you better is to create one new folder with the name diffuser quantity. Okay, diffuser quantity. Hit on OK. See, under this we have to create the, because here we have a different size of diffuser in ground floor. When you see in this room, the diffuser which we have placed here, it is written supply and written ceiling diffuser size 300 by 300. Means we have 4. This green color is our supply air diffuser, red color is written air diffuser. Okay, so 4 number of supply air diffuser we have here, 4 written. So but it is how you will count. And in some room when you see, we have 250 by 250 diffuser. Okay, if I'm starting from here, so let's see, here it is given supply and written ceiling 250 by 250. Here we have a 250 by 250 diffuser, supply and written. So to find out the quantity, simple, what you have to do, in Excel also you can do simple. You want to open it, see diffuser quantity, supply ceiling diffuser. Suppose I want to find out the 250 by 250, the size of diffuser, supply ceiling diffuser whose size is 250 by 250. I want the quantity. So take the cursor near to quantity, right click, PlanSwift, count takeoff, just hit on that. And now here just write down the name supply ceiling diffuser 250 by 250 size. Okay, circle shape I want, and red color, hit on OK. Now what you have to do, you have to hit the diffuser wherever you are, 250 by 250 diffuser, see here. So you have to hit that diffuser automatically. When you hit here, automatically the system will give you the quantity 1. Okay, next in this room also I think we have in this room we have 300 by 300, so leave it. In this room the diffuser which we have is how much size? 250 by 250. One supply here, one supply here, one here. And 250 by 250 diffuser we have here also. See this one, this green, all green color is our supply air diffuser. Same way for this room, see 300 by 300 it is showing, just leave it. We have to select only the 250 by 250 diffuser. So for this room I think here it is written 250, so only select the supply. Okay, see I have selected. Next for this 250, okay, one here, one here. Don't need to count manually because automatically the system will count. They are counting. See 15 total we have selected. Now in this corridor, the diffuser which we have placed is, I think, what is the size of this diffuser? It is written 250. Okay, no, this is supply ceiling diffuser 250 by 250. Okay, select this one, then this, here we have one. Okay, then come to next one. Here also I think we have 250 by 250, just select it. Same way in this room 250, one here supply diffuser. After that you can see here also we have 250 by 250 diffuser. Okay, so select it. Same way for this room, no, here we have a 350. Now in this room also see 250 by 250, it is written clearly here, see. So I'm selecting. Here also see it is written supply and written ceiling diffuser size 250. Here also 250, 250 for this one. So I have selected. Now for this one 250 only, just go through that. Okay, wherever you are seeing the diffuser of 250 by 250, select it. Okay, now in this room also 250 by 250. Okay, select it, this all diffuser. Now I think we have completed. Here also we have 250 by 250. Okay, so select it. So total I think we have selected. Now total quantity, see 42 quantity. Same way you can see in Excel sheet, here they are showing quantity Okay, so in this way you can show the quantity. 1 minute, one option is given, Microsoft Excel is waiting for another application to complete an OLG action. Okay, just leave it as it is. Okay, so here they are showing now, no problem. Same way you have to calculate the written ceiling diffuser, suppose. So first you have to why the result is not showing Excel sheets, because see, we have not stopped the recording. Just first you have to stop the digitizer record, then only it is possible. Okay, in Excel sheet. See 42 now here also. So always remember, after counting all the component, means the diffuser, you have to stop the recording first. Okay, same way if you want to go for written ceiling diffuser, so same come here in Excel sheet also you want to show. Okay, written 250 by 250 size I have written. For quantity, right click, count. Okay, now write down the name, written ceiling diffuser 250 by 250. Okay, circle shape, color, suppose I am using this one, yellow color. Okay, now where it is, see 1 2 3 diffuser we have here. Now wherever you have placed the supply, then 1 2 3 4 diffuser is here of 250 by 250. Then here we have 250 by 250. See, size is written, okay, everywhere. Then we have one diffuser here, just hit it. Okay, now remaining here we have 1 2 1 here and one is here. Now here also we have one written diffuser. This red color is our written diffuser, just because from where I am getting, from the legends you will understood. Okay, because they will give you the legends also in this title block. In legend it is written clearly, this green color is here I have not shown, but in legends you will get this green color diffuser is supply or red color is written, everything you will get from the legend. Okay, whatever component they are using na, as per that they will give you the detail also. So here see, I am counting, so wherever I am, just see all this written air diffuser is 250. So just hit on that, simple. Now I think don't need to select this two, I have selected this two. This two is of 300 by 300. Okay, so how to unselect this I will explain you. First I think we have completed. Here also we have 250, no, this is 300. Here we have 1 2 3. Now we have completed, I think 43 it is showing. Actually the problem is what na, here I have selected this two diffuser also, and this is of 300 by 300. So you have to unselect that diffuser. So how to unselect that I will explain you. First any other diffuser is remaining anywhere, because same quantity of diffuser should be come here. Okay, so just stop the digitizer record, and now see what I am doing. You don't want this one na? Select, delete it, delete. Okay, like this. See the complete, press the Ctrl Z. Don't need to delete the complete, only I want to delete this one. So right click, delete point option. Here also right click, delete point option. See, now we are getting how much, 41, but total we need 42. I think we have missed on anywhere one diffuse. Yeah, see here. So again just on this digitizer record and select this diffuser and then unselect. So now total 42. See in Excel sheet also you will get same 42, correct? Same way now when you open, we have some 300 by 300 diffuser also. Okay, so what I am doing, just come here, supply 300 by 300 also diffuser we are using, same way written 300 by 300. So I want the quantity, so right click, count. So here I am giving the name supply ceiling diffuser 300 by 300. Color suppose red color only I am going. See, here we have 300 by 300. Why? See, it is written clearly. Supply and return ceiling diffuser 300. So one supply here, one here, one here. You have to hit. Okay, simple. Then here we have supply ceiling diffuser one here, one here. See, it is written clearly 300 by 300. After that, we have here 2 diffuser. So total 8. Okay, stop the digitizer record. So you will get the same quantity here. Same way for return, right click, PlanSwift count, and give the name return ceiling diffuser 300 by 300. Color I want yellow color only. Select the yellow color from the list. Okay, and then finally from here you have to select the return diffuser, one here, one here. Okay, don't need to remember the counting because automatically system will count this all. See, only you have to hit wherever we have a, see, now 8 quantity. Okay, first you have to stop the digitizer record. Same way in Excel sheet also it is showing. So in this way we have to calculate the diffuser quantity. I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in